How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I just wanted to bring to you, I guess, a quick update on the Coronavirus 500 build. It's kind of going slowly. Hopefully, within the next week or so, I can finish it. I've been awful busy. I'm still working. I've never quit working. I've been working this whole time, so it's been hard for me to get this build finished, and it's kind of hard to keep up with everybody too. I'm trying. If I haven't got to you or whatever, I'm sorry. I'm trying to catch up. If you haven't heard from me in a while or whatever, commenting. And I want to thank all my supporters and everything for supporting me. And then I'm going to make this, I guess, a stash update too. I got a few models in, and I'd like to share them with y'all, and I'll show you and everything. But I will do unboxing on all these models that I've gotten at a later date. But right now, this is just going to be a short stash update, and then I'll show you what I've done so far on the Coronavirus 500. Alright, I bought this one right here. This is a Peugeot 205 Turbo. It's a rally car. Let me back that up here so that you can see. I bought this off Evil Bay. It was still sealed. Of course, I've opened it, but it was still sealed. This kit's a highly detailed kit. It's got engine detail. It's a very nice rally car, and back in the day, it was a pretty nice rally car. But I've always wanted one. I finally broke down and got me one. The guy had it for like $40. Buy it now. I bought it real quick. That was free shipping and everything. So, and it was still sealed. So that was a good deal. Got that one. And then I finally broke down and bought one of these. It's the altered wheelbase, 1965 Golden Commandos Plymouth, and that thing is pretty sweet. If I'd realized when I bought it that you could build it, two different ways, I guess I should have bought me another one. So I guess I'm going to have to look out and go buy me another one here for too long, because I really do like that white version, but I also like the golden white version. So I just need to build both of them, I guess. I do love my Dodge cars, my satellites and darts, and yeah, I love the old ultra wheelbase. I just love the super stock cars. I don't hardly build a heck of a lot of American cars anymore, but when I do, these are the ones I want to build. I really do love them. And then another one I got, I ordered this one too because I didn't have it. I have a couple of the drag team, the Cobra and the truck, and stuff. But I never bought this one. I was like, you know what? I think they had it for like $36 free shipping. It was still sealed. I bought it. And I got two of the Spy cars in the flat box edition up there, and I think I got one in the regular box. And I'm going to build one of them a race car, and then one the Man from U.N.C.L.E. car. And then I'll have extra to do whatever. And then this one also comes with one, so I'll probably build it exactly like it is on the box art whenever I get around to it. And the HPI guy, he'd build his, and he did the clear yellow body. I thought that was pretty cool. So I guess when I build mine, I'll probably do about the same thing, that clear yellow body. But so that's another pretty good kit for the stash. And then I was at an antique shop. I had to take my wife for her infusions yesterday, and I was at an antique shop in Northwest Arkansas, and I come across this, and it was still sealed. And it's from like 1980 or late 70s, early 80s. Let me find it here, and then I'll show you what it is. I looked it up once already, but I think from like 1979, 80 or whatever. But it's a submarine. It's a U-boat. It's a U-58 German World War II submarine, and it's from Academy. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. It's a 1/50th scale, and it was still sealed. Of course, I've opened it up, but it's from Academy / Mini Craft, and this kit, it's a heavy kit. I opened it up. The sucker comes with an engine. It's motorized. As you can see, let's see on the side of the box right here, you can make this to where it'll actually dive and come up. So if I ever build this, I'll put it out in my swimming pool, and I might try it. I might have to make a video of that of it actually working. So you just have to build it, and it comes with stuff to waterproof it or something, you know, that way you don't. You can see it shows where the bottom half of the hull will come off, and you can put the batteries up in it. It's a pretty neat kit. I've never seen nothing like it. So I don't build hardly any military models, which I've got a crap load. I buy them all the time, but I don't build them. I think the first thing I built military was that World War I Red Baron plane. Since I was a kid, that was the first one I built in a long time. Of course, now I buy them, but I don't hardly build them. But I'm going to have to start doing it, and I think that might be one of the first ones I build, because I got a big old pool, so it'd be neat to play around with that. Alright, so I'll turn this around here, and I'll shut my mouth, and I'll show you what's going on with the CARONA-500 build. Alright, it really hadn't changed just a whole lot since the last time you seen it, but I have got the cage. I'm starting to get the stuff done in there, the plumbing done in there. I don't know if you can see that too good or not. I got the seat mount, I got the pedals, the fire extinguisher, and the gear shifter in there. That's really about all I've gotten done there. As you can see there, I think I got the fuel cell mounted underneath, but as far as that, I've gotten all 4 wheels put together here, painted. I don't know if you can see that yet or not. Got the white letter tires done on it. I've got the wood grain dash done. The instrument panels, I don't know if you can see that good or not. Headers, got the seat done. Then I got the engine wired up. It's not completely done yet, but and here's the body. I got them little inserts on the inside gluing, but you can see I've got it all decaled, trying to keep from hurting the paint with them clamps and stuff, because I'm trying to get that. You can see those inserts on the inside glued in, but really that's all I've gotten done so far on this CARONA-500. Here's the hood. That's really about it. So hopefully, I know this weekend I got to get the pool opened back up and stuff, so I don't know if I'll have too much time this weekend. It'll be my weekend off actually, so I don't know if I'll have too much time. I'll try to get a little work done on this in between, but I got to get the pool opened up. I got a little niece that's just dying for me to open the pool up for the summer. So alright, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.